find out which subject Sally does best in, let's turn all of her marks into percentages. So for maths, this means we're going to do 25 divided by the total number of marks 40 times 100, which gives us 62.5%. For English, 32 divided by 50 times 100 would give us 64%. For science, we would do 38 divided by 60 times 100, which gives us 63.3%. So now we can easily compare the three subjects and see which one we did best in. So the one we did best in would be the one with the highest percentage. So from looking at this list, 64% is the highest percentage. So English is the subject we did best at. So I'd finish with English as 64% is greater than 63.3%, and 64% is also greater than 62.5%.